Hello everyone, this is Sarah from Plantful and welcome to another Plan With Me video. I've decided to do a farmer's market theme for my bullet journal in May. Even though we can't go out to farmer's markets right now, I thought I would bring them to my bullet journal instead because farmer's markets bring me memories of springtime and good times, and I thought that was perfect for May. I actually used to work at my school's farmer's market back in college, and now I'm an artist drawing farmer's markets, so life comes full circle like that sometimes. For my cover page, I'm drawing out a few baskets of fruit and veggies like apples, carrots, peaches, and strawberries. And now for a brief intermission because I wanted to show you guys the stickers that I made to go along with my farmer's market theme. These stickers are currently exclusive to my Patreon page as a part of my new Plantful Mail tier, where I send out 2 sticker sheets and 1 die cut sticker to all patrons in that tier every single month. I love using stickers in my journal, especially on my weekly spreads where I always feel like I don't have enough time to draw as much as I'd like, but I still want to make it cute, so I can't wait to use these. If you would like to receive these, just make sure to pledge by May 10th, which is the day I'll be sending these out to all patrons in my Plantful Mail tier. All information about that and how to sign up will be down below. Okay, so back to the video. Now I'm adding color using my Tombow dual brush pens, and those are my favorite pens to use in my journal. Moving on to my second page, which is a mood tracker. I decided to draw a prize wheel or like a spin wheel because farmers markets and other outdoor fairs always tend to have these wheels or like raffles or things like that. The third monthly spread that I'm doing is a monthly task page, which I find really useful to jot down any tasks of mine that don't have a specific date yet. So for this page, I'm drawing out a chalkboard and then coloring it in. I had the idea to color in the middle section with black to make it look like an actual chalkboard, and then use a white pen in that area for the tasks that I put on the page. This page turned out super streaky because of the large space that I filled in with color, but lately I'm just trying to not be bothered by that, because even though some pens are better than others, the streaky lines are just inevitable, and it is what it is. Lastly, I'm setting up a daily gratitude page for May. The drawing at the top is actually from Animal Crossing. It's Leaf's garden stand that was just introduced in the new update. And I thought it was so cute and kind of fit in with the farmer's market theme that I'm doing. Last month I was drawing nothing but Animal Crossing related things and stickers and drawings, and I feel like I finally broken that spell, but I'm still going to draw Animal Crossing things here and there. So that's it for my monthly setup. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Hit the subscribe button if you're not already, and also join me on my Instagram page if you're not already, because I'm a lot more active on there and I post pictures of all my spreads and more. Thanks for watching!